Hello everyone.
Dr. Corne Mulder of the Freedom Front Plus described former President Jacob Zuma as a people's person, adding that can be attested to Zuma's victory as ANC leader over Thabo Mbeki at the ANC's National Electoral Conference in Polokwane in 2005. Mulder, who is the FF Plus candidate for Premier of the Western Cape in the 2024 elections, warned that people should never underestimate Zuma, adding that it can be seen by establishment of his Umkhonto we Sizwe party. He said when Jacob Zuma, was kicked out as the country's deputy president, many senior people cried over his defeat. That's how much influence Zuma has. Today, the Umkhonto we Sizwe party is a reality because of him. What Zuma then did was to go back to grassroots level, and we all know what happened in Polokwane. Mulder said the reality is that the ANC is sticking with President Cyril Ramaphosa because he is believed to be a major attraction for big sporting events in the country, and said if the ANC is successful in the upcoming elections, they will say thank you very much and they will continue. If it fails, there won't be reason enough to stay loyal to Ramaphosa. Besides, I don't see him as a good leader of the opposition, and I don't think he will stay. Mulder said one must not underestimate the political plot that is currently playing out as multi-charter coalition is planning to oust the governing party. He further said that other parties are also planning strategies to remove the ANC in power. Regarding the notion of the Western Cape's independence, the Freedom Front Plus leader said his organization supported the idea because the government has failed in terms of nation building. He said the country has not used the majority sporting events to capitalize on the goodwill emanating from the big victories in terms of the nation building, and said it started with the Rugby World Cup in 1995 with the late then President Nelson Mandela wearing the Springbok jersey, and everybody felt excited. But we thought, how long will the euphoria last before we have a problem again? And said we had a Cricket World Cup, then the FIFA World Cup in 2010, but the positivity from these big events did not last. They don't really bring unity or nation building. I know it's a difficult issue given our past, but what we are saying is South Africa is a very diverse country and we should not shy away from its diversity. What we would like to say is let's use the diversity as strong building blocks to build a stronger unity. Mulder said majority of Western Cape residents have not been voting at national level or for the ANC because they feel they are not being heard. Dr. Mulder was having a conversation with Sizwe Walsh on his podcast. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.